Okay, this is a quick video just to, well, identify this blade. It's 2 foot long, you can see it there. The actual blade length is about 10 inches, 250 mil. It's thick, it's 10 mil, 12 mil thick across the back. Blade is 3 1/4 inches, 83 mil wide. One end, I'm not sure whether it's broken or that's the way it was forged. There don't seem to be any rivets or anything in there, but yeah, before I do anything with it, I'm just trying to get some ideas as to what it is and whether it's worth pursuing. So if anybody wants to leave a comment, if they've got any idea what it might be, then that would be great. Thank you.